Hello, my name is Ибрагим. I'm Shirali's student and I want to show you the Moscow. Let's go. We start our adventure in station Lobnya. So let's go. Our train is coming. We are in station Leonozova. This is Leonozova station. It's very beautiful and some modern station too. But in Moscow subway you can see a lot of modern station and modern lines. This is old train of Moscow subway. I think that train from 17th or 18th year. It's music. Very beautiful. It's very old station and old line of metro. Welcome to station Чистые пруды. This very old, I say that. So I'm showing for you one part of Чистые пруды. So it's built that subway line built it in 36 years. It's very old station, Чистые пруды. Look, this very old station. Look. There's Raksovsky Boulevard, but we don't need there. We need to go there. To Potapova. This is our train too. So this is old train. Oh my. So let's see in Kremlin. Meet in the Kremlin. This is very old station too. But it's first station, so it's very beautiful too. Look. So this is great. There is way to the Kremlin. This is beautiful too. Look, this look like castles. So I'll show you soon. So we couldn't go to Kremlin because Kremlin is closed. Ha station. Guys, it is within Ha. Look. Within Ha. Ha, it's a big park. Very awesome park. It looks like and other parks, but it's very awesome than other parks. This is beautiful. There's a party. Very much when you listen me and watching Shirley's channel, and goodbye.